Be ready. Start. Leave granted. Stop. Briefly stated, the facts of the case are that one Satwanti Devi was the absolute owner of the property in question, that is a single storied building situated in Bhagrao Khasra number 157, Block A, Double Fatak Road, Delhi. Stop. She executed a registered will dated 1/1/1991 in favor of Som Prakash, the respondent number one, herein her nephew. Stop. However, it is alleged that this will dated 1/1/1991 was subsequently revoked through a registered revocation deed dated 26/9/1995. Stop. Thereafter, Satwanti Devi is said to have executed another will on 30/1/1996 in favor of Jai Ram, the appellant herein, who was a tenant in the property in question. Stop. Satwanti Devi passed away issue less on 30/12/1996. Stop. Thereafter, respondent number one filed a civil suit in suit number 91 of 1997 seeking the relief of permanent injunction against the appellant herein in respect of the property in question, which was subsequently dismissed as withdrawn. Stop. In the meantime, the appellant filed a probate petition bearing number 136 of 1997 on the basis of the will dated 30/1/1996, and the same was dismissed for default. Stop. Later, respondent number one, on the basis of will deed dated 1/1/1991, filed a probate petition number 382 of 1997 before the Court of District Judge, Delhi. Stop. By order dated 1/9/1999, the learned district judge granted letters of administration of the property in question in favor of respondent number one. Stop. Thereafter, respondent number one sold the property in question in favor of one Rajkumar Chaudhary in the year 2008. Stop. Subsequently, Rajkumar Chaudhary filed a civil suit number 261 of 2009 seeking possession, permanent injunction, and recovery of damages against the appellant herein. Stop. By judgment dated 3/2/2012, the suit was decreed ex parte in favor of Rajkumar Chaudhary, who has thereafter filed an execution petition. Stop. Para. During the pendency of this litigation, the appellant claims to have received the summons in the year 2013, at which time he discovered that letters of administration had already been granted to respondent number one concerning the property in question. Stop. Being aggrieved, the appellant filed an application under Order 9, Rule 13 of the Code of Civil Procedure 1908 in suit number 261 of 2009 on 27/2/2013, seeking for setting aside the ex parte decree, and the same was allowed by order dated 31/10/2019. Stop. Thereafter, the appellant also filed an application miscellaneous number 61012 of 2016 before the learned district judge, Delhi, seeking for revocation of letters of administration dated 1/9/1999 granted in favor of respondent number one in respect of will dated 1/1/1991. Stop. The learned district judge, by order dated 2012/2017, allowed the miscellaneous application filed by the appellant under Section 263 of the Indian Succession Act 1925 and revoked the grant of letters of administration dated 1/9/1999 in respect of will dated 1/1/1991 in favor of respondent number one. Stop. The learned district judge held that the will dated 1/1/1991 in favor of respondent number one had been revoked by way of a revocation deed dated 26/9/1996, and a second will dated 31 1996 was executed by the testator in favor of the appellant. Herein stop.